What's good, y'all? And welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to my channel. Yeah. What's good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing a review on this Revlon Pro Collection Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. I seen this all over on YouTube and I was like, what? Anything to make the straightening process go faster, I'ma own it. Like white on rice. I'm on it. Yeah, so it says it's a tangle-free drying in the halftime. So it's a power of a dryer precision, I can't read. Precision of a styler, smooth, frizz-free result in half the time. What? Less heat related damage. And yeah, it's for fast, silky, smooth, shiny results. Dries and smooth hair quickly. Detangling, help dry, smooth, and style hairs for maximum comfort and ease of use. Max drying power. Yes, so my sister bought this for me for my birthday. I never used this, so this will be my first time doing a review. Yes. Okay, so just taking everything apart. Okay. Oh, I thought it was gonna come with batteries. I'm about to say, no, this video won't be going up. This video won't be going up. Alright, so yeah, this is how it comes. It's pink. I love pink, yo. Okay. So I'm going to take this apart. Yes. Alright, where my outlets at? Give me 1 second. I gotta plug this. Alright. Am I back? Am I back in focus? Yeah. Alright, so how can you, okay. Alright, so how do you cut this on? Oh, duh. Off, cool, low, and what is this? High. Okay, so now that we know how it works. Okay, so I just washed my hair, y'all. This is how it looks. What? Y'all can't tell me nothing. Nope. Y'all can't tell me nothing. What? Y'all can't tell me nothing. Nope. Nothing. Nope. Nothing. Nope. Y'all can't tell me. I don't know why this side is so flat, bruh. Okay, so what I'm gonna do. Ooh! Hey! Okay, today was a good day. I'm just gonna say that. Today was a blessed day. And that's why I'm so happy. I'm gonna start with the back. Please make sure you use heat protectant. The heat protectant I use is, it's a 10. And I went ahead and I sprayed my hair with that all over. So I'm gonna put it on. High for now. I don't know if my hair's good yet. High is not that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do this all throughout my hair and I'll be back. Still feel a little wet in the root area. I think I've been drying for about 15 minutes. I still feel like it's a little damp at the top, but I guess I'll just let the rest air dry. I need to go grab something to eat. So yeah, but this is it. I really do like it, to be honest with y'all. It did cut a lot of time. The other blow dryer that I usually would use, hold on, let me go get it. So this is the blow dryer that I would usually use, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this blow dryer. It's the Silverbird by Conair Pro, and I love that blow dryer. And the Revlon, I must say, I really do like it. 1 out of 10. I will give it a 8.5, 9, around that range, because it didn't really like dry my roots the way I wanted it to. But other than that, it took care of the ends. And the fact that it has like a paddle brush, it makes it so much easier. But y'all, it got the job done. It got the job done. But other than that, I really do like it. Like, if I really want to straighten my hair and I need something quack and easy, I need something quick and easy, yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this, you know. All right, well, that's the review on the brush. It's good. It really feels good. My hair really feels good. It doesn't feel dry and rough, and it really feels good. It really feels soft, and I like it, you know. So if you around 3C 4 type hair like mine, I believe I have 4 type hair, yeah, this brush would definitely, this blow dryer brush would definitely get the job done. I will highly recommend it. And this video is not sponsored. As I mentioned before, my sister bought me that brush, and I was like, what? Girl, how did you know I wanted that brush? Maybe because I told you so. But yeah. All right, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.